I'm here with Luke Feeney. He just went 8-1 at the Edison Regional, 450 plus.
I almost grinded it all the way.
He played windups.
What is that?
Let's get right into it.
Alright. Start off with the hand traps, 2 maxi. Most people don't run the hand traps. I feel like
You should speak louder, faggot.
you gotta have something for turn 1. I mean, you can't just accept the reap like a big mad shark. It's really good against water. It's really good against windups. It's really good against. It's pretty good against rabbit. It's alright against rabbit. So overall, I think it's fine.
Definitely like it better over Valor?
Yeah, definitely. Valor is pretty shitty in my opinion. This you can at least 1-for-1 against your bad matchups. They got 2 tour guides, Sengen. It's pretty standard. I don't think you need to run Ice Sound or anything.
No.
2 Thunder Kings. It's pretty good against the meta. I mean, it's a good turn 1 play if you don't open like the nuts. Lets you stall out for a while. Then for like the windups, you got 3 rats, pretty standard. 3 rabbit, 3 magician, 3 shark, and 1 hunter.
How'd you like Hunter?
He was pretty insane. He did great stuff all day. I just like having the ability to hit the hand. Like against Injectors, I remember one time, I knew they had like Dragonfly in hand, but I knew they also had Threatening Roar down, so I needed to get rid of the Dragonfly. So I looped away his whole hand with Hunter.
Tell me you didn't know. You're
I knew. And the spells, that's card in Yugioh.
Definitely needs to go.
Definitely, the abandon this fucking card, please. Reborn.
Also has to go. Also should go.
Nah, I don't think it should go. Dark Horse fine. Avarice. Some people are on this. I think it's fine.
Well, you're playing Hunter, so like it works.
Yeah, with Hunter it works and it gets live real fast. Book.
How'd you like Book today?
It was really good. Every time I drew it, it's never dead. Like, it was so clutch. I remember the last round I opened up Mad Shark Book to the guy's Thunder King, so he was pretty salty.
Should explain why it's good, faggot. Not examples of like.
Okay, you're right. It's good because I mean it's never a dead card. Like you can draw a book like at any point in the game. It's always pretty useful. I mean you can reset your wind-up effects. Like you just have a rat chilling there that's there for some reason. Reset it. It stops a lot of plays against water. I like this over the couples because you can like book what's it called Marksman, which is your defense. And I don't like compulsing Megalo. Like if they go like pitch Megalo, pitch Marksman, drop Megalo, and they target your compulse, do you really want to compulse it back? Like,
No.
Because what do they salvage? They just fucking rape. So I'd rather have book in most cases. 2 factory.
Why only 2?
I was talking about this Frazier earlier. If you draw more than 1 factory, it's pretty unnecessary. Like you only need 1 to keep on plussing. Like you get rabbit, keep on triggering it. I mean if they have space, they have it. It's fine.
Yeah.
Like,
Usually if you open Rabbit Factory, you shouldn't lose anyway.
yeah, exactly. I mean, I guess it's a little less consistent drawing factory, but I drew plenty today. I mean, I don't think you need 3. It's just dead draws and excessive. You always want to have some like defense. I mean, yeah. 3 space, because
Back rows are a bitch.
yeah, back rows are important. And like in the mirror match, you gotta kill factory, you gotta kill sphere. There's too many continuous cards. You really have to have 3 space. For traps, I got double bottomless, it's pretty standard. Double torrential, same thing. Double warning. Judgment. Please play Judgment. Don't be like Gerald Winston, who played the huge revolutions over today over Judgment. This card, you can stop so many more things than just Road. You're not going to always just Judgment Storm. There are times you have to Judgment a wind-up rabbit, or a wind-up rat or something.
It's hard shit.
1 Mirror Force. I don't really draw this that much today, but I like this card because people tend to overextend into it, and until Fire comes out, there's not that much that like you want to remove over killing it. So I feel it's better. 1 of this, because like the mirror match is important. And it's a pretty versatile card. Like you can, if they bail your tour guide or something, bounce it back to hand, hit a Sengen, and then 1 road. This card was fucking MVP all day. I remember I played Stefan Bizzle round 8, and this card single-handedly like won the match. Bizzell, sorry. Yeah.
Get it right.
Alright, let's get it to the side.
See what the side has prepared.
Put that over there. Side deck, 2 dusts. You need to kill Goza match, you need to kill Rivalry. It's really, in the mirror match, you need to kill Factory. There's a lot of continuous cards.
Yeah.
You need to be able to kill them. 2 Veiler,
Mirror match.
mirror match pretty much, and Inzectors. I played a random Inzector today. It was pretty good against that. Yes, I do not have all my sleeves for my side deck.
Who cares?
3D Fisher, Water, pretty much like Dark World, I guess. It's really important to draw this card against Water. 2 Messenger for like Rabbit, Heroes, any aggressive decks like that. 2 Snowman, same type of decks, Rabbit, yeah. Soul Taker, Heroes, Rabbit, Standard, Tide. The second combos for the mirror match, I take out the Mirror Force, put the Sand over it, because you don't really want to have Mirror Force. This can stop like Zemighty and stuff with D2. And then the second Mirror Force for Rabbit and more aggressive decks where I wouldn't want Compulse, I switch that out.
And then the extra deck.
Alright, extra deck, got 1 Zen Mains, 1 Leviathan, 1 Levier, 1 Tempo, 1 Giga Brilliant, 1 Zemighty, 1 Soul Silverman.
How was that tonight?
It was pretty good. It froze like a prison against Heroes, so I could go for game. I like this card. Sean Cape slow for not running this card. She definitely run this card.
You like it better over the second Zen Mains?
Yeah, there are times where like you have double Rabbit and you just want to go off. It's an MST from your extra deck. It's really versatile. I like it. For rank 5s, Adrius and Tyrus, I don't run Zemayo because Zemayo is just like an ape card. If you make Zemayo, you probably sleep. Like straight up. Plus it's not really necessary. Like anytime you can go Zemayo, you can probably go Tyrus and do the same thing. Unless they just have double D prison, which I mean it doesn't come up a lot. Shockmaster obviously, that's standard. And you need that for Water. I mean Utopia. Alright, a lot of people don't run Utopia, they run like Zemeister or some shit. You need to run Utopia. There are a lot of times where you protect carrier with Utopia. And if you're just going into beaters, which people say Zemeister's 25, well so is this. This is a better beater though. Like this is,
and it protects your monsters.
Yeah, it protects your monsters. I forget who it was. I think it was Sean, Akir, somebody who top nats.
Adrian Shakir?
Yeah, him, sorry. I just can't remember his name. He talked a lot about how you need to protect your monsters and wind-ups, and you absolutely do. Utopia does that, so. Maestro, standard, and for the road I run a Stardust.
I noticed you didn't play Asagol, why not?
Asagol, you never really like win when you make Asagol. There are very few games that you absolutely need him to win. When you go into him, it's more just like you're stalling a few turns where you won't lose. Like, every time I make Asagol, I might not lose that turn, but in a few turns it's probably going to burn me out. There's, maybe they turn.
It spells your own destruction.
Pretty much. It's just, I don't think it was worth it. There was one game today where I wanted him, and it was against Heroes, which I guess is real. And he had skill.
It went 9-0 today.
It went 9-0, it creamed me, it was my only loss.
Ripping Miracle Fusion.
Oh my god.
With 16 cards left in the deck, with none left.
He had no monsters, 2 miracles gone. I have +5. I had Book of Moon, Bottomless, Messenger, Rabbit returning, Zen Mains 1 material. He like ripped Storm, just played it, because why not? Kill all 3. Next turn he rips a Miracle for Shining and Defense. Rips a Reborn for Stratos, get over my Zen Mains. I draw all shit. I draw like MSC dots, he draws like no back row. And then he like, pretty much just killed me. I mean, I couldn't do anything. That was really upsetting, but overall the event was pretty shittily run, just to be fair. And it was a good day though, obviously, because I topped, so.
Free top.
Yeah, pretty much.
Alright guys, that was Luke Feeney with his top 8 deck profile.